Let's make dinner for today, guys. Mayroon tayong frozen na vegetable, and then gumamit tayong 1 cup na water, and then mayroon tayong cream. Of course, mayroon chicken, yung tandoori lang, guys. And gumamit tayo ng chicken fillet. So, kinakat ko na yung chicken fillet. That is it. And then, mayroon tayong onion and garlic. Hindi na, mainit na siya, guys. Ilagay lang natin yung onion natin. Kasi mainit na yan. Hanggang mag-brown lang natin yung pagkain. So, masarap talaga ang tandoori, guys. Sa totoo lang. It's so amazing. And then, add the chicken. I-add natin yung chicken. And mag-additional lang tayong pepper. And then, potato powder. So, ano lang natin ito, guys, fry. Ito na, guys, yung chicken natin. Ipa-fry lang natin hanggang mag-change yung color niya. Color lang. So, the color i-change, sit aside lang muna natin, guys, ito. Usually kasi pag magluto ako, i-sit aside dahil hindi siya masyadong maluto yung chicken natin, guys. Ganyan ako magluto ng tandoori. So, mag-additional lang tayo ng water. And then, i-add ko lang, yung natin, ito. Yung broccoli. Para pagluto muna natin yan. Gamit tayong 3 deciliter na water para maluto yan. And this is, iluto muna natin yan. So that vegetable done na luto na, guys. Isit aside muna natin para hindi siya ma-overcook. Ganyan ako magluto, guys. Sit aside katulad ng chicken natin. Ayan. Ilagyan ko kaunting green beans na frozen. Mayroon akong extra na green bean na frozen. Yan. And then, mag-additional lang tayong 3 deciliter na food na cream. Yan. Then, ihalo natin yung 1 pack na tandoori, guys. That is it. The ingredients is all here already. Ito yung na ingredient. Isunod lang niyo, ipalo lang ninyo yan dyan. Nandiyan na lahat yung ingredient. Halo lang natin dyan. Yung isang pack na tandoori. Masarap talaga, guys. Promise, guys. It's yummy. Pakuluin lang natin ito. Kaya ako, siniparit ko yung chicken and then the vegetable para hindi siya ma-overcook. Usually kasi marinate ito sa chicken. Ayaw ko. So, ganyan lang, guys. Dahil nilagyan ko siya ng vegetable pero mayroon siyang extra yummy. Ganyan lang. Ayan. 1 pack na siya. Gumamit lang akong 2 deciliter na tubig. And then, yung 1 pack nito, guys, na 1 pack na food na cream. Ano lang natin, pakuluin lang natin kaunti. Yung natin, yung sauce, para mahalo din yung niya, yung medyo buo-buo kasi siya pag hindi haluin ng masyado. And then, kakain na tayo mamaya, guys. It is yummy. And then, ang gawin natin, dahil kumukulo na siya, i-add natin yung chicken and vegetable. Ganyan ako magluto, guys. So, diba, is the best. Yummy. Ganyan, guys. Masarap talaga siya, guys. Promise, ang sarap. Yan. Pag halu-haluin lang natin ito, hanggang mahalo lahat ito. Dahil yung chicken luto na at saka yung natin, vegetable. Maramihan na ito, guys. Pwede na ito makakain ng 5 tao. Eat this one with rice. So, yummy. That is my chicken tandoori. Yan. It's not to eat with rice. So, this video for today, I'm making chicken tandoori with vegetable, guys. Yummy. Eat this one with rice. So, ang sarap, guys. Promise. Tapos, yung chicken is juicy. Yan. Chicken tandoori na niluto ko. Purusin na itong chicken. Kinuha ko naman, bago ako nagtatrabaho, i-defrost ko na. Nilabas ko na siya. And then, pag uwi ko ng trabaho is 4:30. And slice ko lang siyang na manipis. And then, fried. Separate with onion and garlic. And then, i-fried also yung vegetable separate. And then, gagawa tayo ng sauce sa tandoori. Yung tandoori na 1 pack, nandoon lahat yung, yung recipe. So, follow lang ninyo. And then, the tandoori, it's ready to eat. So, that is it with rice na tayo, guys. So, that is for my video for today. Tikman lang natin yung luto nata. Kung masarap ba. Talagang masarap siya, guys. Promise. Totoo. And then, juicy. Yung chicken, hindi siya matigas. Nag-add lang ko salt and pepper. That's it. And then, paki-subscribe, and likes, and share. And then, huwag niyong kalimutan, yung pindutin yung bell button para updated guys sa mga video. And thank you for watching. And dinner time. That is my dinner today, guys. Little bit rice, and let's eat. Na tayo, guys. Ating dinner na chicken tandoori with rice. Kumain lang tayong kaunting rice, guys. First time kong kumain ng rice within 2 months. Wala na tayong choice. Kailangan tayong kumain nito. And then my tandoori is juicy. Hindi siya matigas. And then this is it. Kain tayo. Kain tayo. And then with blongkol. Yummy, yummy. Nung sa wakas si araw lumabas, alas 4. This video for today. Thank you for watching. Paki-like, paki-share, and subscribe. And see you for the next video.